Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to cancel your YouTube Premium account. But before we start, please like this video, subscribe, and follow for more future updates. And without further ado, let's start. First, you have to open your YouTube application. When done, you have to click your profile at the upper right corner of your screen. After that, you have to click your premium benefits. Then you will be redirected to this tab. All you need to do is to scroll up and click manage your membership. Then click premium. After that, cancel membership. Then click next. You will be getting this message, then click go to play. Click cancel subscription. Then they will ask you question why you are going to cancel your premium account. Just click one reason why you are going to cancel your premium account. After that, just click continue, then cancel subscription. And that's it, your subscription will be canceled, and after that, you will be receiving an email from them. It's a confirmation that your YouTube Premium account is already being canceled. That's it guys, that's how you cancel your premium account from YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it and see you to the next video.